As a Pan-African activist, I have a message for African people. First of all, I have something to ask you. It is very simple, but the benefits are very great. Please subscribe, like, and share this video to encourage our unity. Thank you so much. My message today focuses on the unity and prosperity of the African continent. African unity is not an option. It is a matter of survival. The continued weakness of Africa is not caused by African people, nor by our cultures or identities. The lack of unity across African countries is the direct result of deep wounds inflicted by colonialism, wounds designed to divide us, weaken us, and keep us dependent. Division is not an accident. It is a system imposed to ensure that Africa never stands as one powerful force. When Africa is divided, old colonial powers continue to exploit our natural resources and our human labor to enrich themselves. They grow strong while Africa remains dependent. Let us be clear, the wealth and development of Europe and America were built on Africa's land, Africa's minerals, and the unpaid labor of African people through slavery and colonial exploitation. This historical truth must guide our future action. Africa is rich, not poor. Our continent holds vast minerals, fertile land, energy resources, water, and a young, intelligent population. What we lack is not resources, but unity, confidence, and collective economic power. Therefore, the mission of this generation is clear. African nations must unite to control and use their own natural resources for African development. We must innovate, industrialize, and move beyond exporting raw materials. We must strengthen intra-African trade, produce African goods, and buy and sell among ourselves. Africa must develop its own financial systems, print and manage its own currencies, and reduce dependency on foreign monetary control. Most importantly, African problems must be solved by Africans without external interference. Unity will give Africa economic strength. Economic strength will give Africa political independence. Political independence will give Africa dignity, peace, and lasting prosperity. The future of Africa will not be given, it must be built, and it will be built through unity, self-reliance, and collective purpose. Africa must rise not as divided states, but as one continent, one destiny, and one unstoppable force.